So however people try to deny it, a responsible father and a responsible dad is very, very important in the family. I can do it. What a man can do, a woman can do it better. It's not about raising a son. Let's just be honest about it. So this video I'm about to show you now is a video of a woman, a mom and a son. How the son is all over the mom is very, very uncomfortable to even watch. Or content, whether it's content that this woman is doing or not, even to watch it is very, very uncomfortable. Watch this video and see for yourself what this woman and the son is doing.
Go now. Go, miss. Oh, yeah, go. I miss you, Chibata. Look at see him now. He's so almost now. Leave me. Stop. So what you guys happened to me? Look at see him now. He's so almost now. Leave me. Stop. So what you guys happened to me? Look at see him now. He's so almost now.
You've seen the video firsthand, right? First of all, this lady, what are you doing with your son? What are you doing? Are you trying to make content or what? What is your grown son doing to you? And you're trying to tell him, go to school now. Go. What is? However people try to deny it, let me tell you, having a father figure matters a lot. Not even the people that lost their dad, you know that these people, their dad died, but your father is there and your mother is there, and you are forming single mother. I don't understand. Single mother, when you are doing this thing, your grown son is kissing you on the almost on the lips. We are not Oyibo, madam. We know be Oyibo people. Yes, affection is nice to show, but your grown son trying to kiss you almost on the lips, and you're telling him to go to church, go to school now. You know what you're doing. What are you trying to groom this boy into? What is this lady trying to groom this boy into? This is where we start seeing mother, the son, they knock mama, mama, they knock son. This is oh my god. What is this? This is if you're trying to create content, this is all wrong. Yeah, in all shades. What is this? What are you trying to teach the boy to? This boy, I worry home. Can you not groom Zilia into start telling him to go to school now? Tell him, let's call a spade a spade. This is wrong. This is all wrong. Trying to groom this boy into the boy achoro. This boy achoro. It start small. They say small. Now they start to. Still water runs deep. We all see that Tonto Dike have decided that I don't need this single mother thing. My son's father needs to be in his life. If they play out, sometimes these celebrities, their lifestyle, their life, people need to see them. Because some people want to be doing single mother. In a single mother, when your son is trying to kiss you romantically, I don't understand. Are you two in a relationship? He starts saying, Kewan, this one, kiniko. I don't understand. If you know this woman, please, this woman should stop this rubbish. Madam, you should stop this. Stop this rubbish. What is all this now? What is all this? And sometimes we see fathers doing this thing, hugging their kids, hugging their daughters inappropriately, just like this. Ana Akoyeli. This boy needs to be taken away from this woman as soon as ASAP, as soon as possible. Are we Oyibo where they kiss? What is this? Even to kiss your mom on the woman gonna for those all over you like this. This is all shades of wrong. This even to watch it. At first, when I saw this video, I don't want to watch it because someone will say now. But I need to bring it to people to see that it is upon it. Because before or however you feel about this video, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. It's Bella.